Complacency is a silent killer, a slow poison seeping into the very fabric of our lives. We get comfortable, we settle, and we tell ourselves, it's fine, it'll be okay. But complacency is a dangerous game, and it's a ticking time bomb waiting to explode. Are you ignoring that weight gain, brushing off the warning signs? You may think you have all the time in the world, but the consequences are catching up faster than you realize. Diabetes lurks in the shadows, heart disease waits just around the corner, and high blood pressure can sneak up on you. Complacency in health is not just a minor inconvenience. It can lead to fatal outcomes. Those routine checkups you skipped, the lifestyle changes you promised yourself but never acted on, they matter more than you think. The longer you choose to ignore your health, the stronger the repercussions become, affecting not just you, but those who care about you. It's not merely about the numbers on the scale. It's about the life you wish to lead and the experiences you want to cherish. Imagine a future where health is a priority, where you stay active and vibrant, enjoying every moment. Don't let complacency dictate your journey. Reclaim your health, confront your fears, and take action today before it's too late. Your future self will thank you for it. Letting intimacy fade, neglecting communication, taking your loved ones for granted. Now, the distance grows, the trust erodes, and the bond you cherished is shattered. Complacency is a trap. It blinds you, weakens you, and leaves you vulnerable. But you have the power to break free. Embrace the challenge. Seek out growth. Push your limits. Ignite your passion. Don't let complacency steal your dreams, your health, your happiness. The hunt is on, but this time you're the predator. You're reclaiming your life, chasing your goals, and living with purpose. Complacency kills, but you are stronger. You are resilient. You will overcome. Don't let complacency steal your happiness. Rise above and thrive today. If you found value in this video, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who may need it. Thanks for watching.